Yeah guys, come to Island Flavor Jamaica restaurant. So stay tuned guys, we are gonna go inside. No. No. Epic restaurant guys, Island Flavor. See there? I have everything on the menu. Fried chicken, fish, and then you have the pork right there, so fritters, fried dumpling and festival guys. Boiled dumpling, and you don't know we have a real mommy.
And we have the oxtail.
Yeah.
We have the curry chicken, stew chicken and curry goat.
Alright guys, so no check-in in an island restaurant. I wanna get everything authentic Jamaican. And now you have the cake them. Yeah, up and running guys. So we are gonna get the patty guys, and we are gonna do a taste test and keeping up to date. Alright, so stay tuned. Here guys, we have the Island Flavor menu. As you can see guys, everything up on the menu. So taking your time and come check out Island Flavor restaurant guys. Real authentic. Here guys, as you can see, falling bread and patty Jamaican style street food on a Tuesday guy. So we are gonna give a taste test guy. Yeah guy, me a check in on the one here, you know. The one here bad. This is chicken patty with the falling bread from Island Flavor. So guys, go and check out Island Flavor. The patty tastes wicked. Now, these are the beef one. As you can see, the crust guy. Official crust.
Flaky.
Huh?
It's flaky.
Here guys.
It's good.
Yeah man, take a bite when we see it go on. Yeah guys, see for me there? Just looking at it guys. So guys, go over Island Flavor restaurant and support it guys. I'm gonna leave a link in the description while I'm going and eat the patty. So stay tuned guys.